To initiate the quartzite mining process by the government of Assam under Mines and Minerals Department, inaugural ceremony was observed at Koilamati Playground in presence of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on 22nd September. David Pangcho, contractor, was appointed as an in charge to look after the quartzite mining process at Koilamati, and the inauguration for the mining was done by Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. In this inaugural ceremony, Deputy Speaker Dr. Numol Momin, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, MP Horen Singbe, MLA Vidya Singh Inglang, and EMs and MSCs, Director of Mines and Minerals Ananta Das, attended as the guest of the event. Deputy Speaker Dr. Numol Momin and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, while delivering their speeches, informed that earlier quartzite mining was done unlawful and illegal. But now, after the agreement with Mines and Minerals Department was signed, everything would proceed under the law, terms and conditions with proper permit. The government would also generate a handsome revenue from it.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen Assam government chingwai chingsai pen CMU chetok lamdon chetok memorandum of understanding. Kala so teng pen ke 60% bang ke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council longpo, 40% bang ke state government longpo. La pen dambom pen silan pinning 60% longpo, morning ke 70%, morning si ke 80%, morning ke 90% po. La Nikan Phong ke la ke 10%. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council phanange PG phansi state government pen in principle to Kroil.
On this inaugural ceremony, all Nilip youth took the opportunity to hand over a memorandum to Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, placing 7 major demands in the memorandum. CEM Ronghang gave his assurance to fulfill all their demands within 5 years from now.
Nilibalu Rusem Sing Tia Statue Nangji Punitum Abetai Loka. Nasipini Latos Nilitum Memorandum of Stame Jongponlo J. Koilamati along la pen proper chukila along Rusem Sing Tia Statue Pivek Nangji Pusi La Pendotulang Dak Nilibalu Penangan non bank Kichari of Hanang Batanglo.
All the natural resources available in Karbi Anglong would be taken control by the Department of Mines and Minerals. And from now onwards, not even a single resources would be extracted illegally. The revenue generated from all the resources would directly go to the government. David Pangcho expressed his words of gratitude to all the dignitaries present and to all the stakeholders, and successfully inaugurated the quartzite mining process. Anand Terang's report from Bokajang and Samson Ingti's report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live.